Thank you for the thumbs up. Lambs become lions. Hello po, kumusta? Kumusta din? Okay naman. Ikaw, kayo po, kumusta? Salamat po sa thumbs up. I'm good, thank you. Thank you for 2 thumbs up. How are you guys? Sorry, I don't speak Tagalog. Only know a few words. It's okay. It's okay, sir. Lambs become lions. Where you come? Oh my God. Where are you from, sir? Lambs become lions. Hi, Mick Roggy. Hello po. Thank you for joining po. Are you a man? I look like a man. No, I'm a woman, but looks like a man. Cause I keep thinking about you nonstop. I look like a man. I am I am in Montana, USA. Hi, thank you for joining po. Sir Lambs Become Lion. I think you should go to that place where there is no electricity because we could literally light up the whole place with your mesmerizing smile. Oh my goodness. I'm a happy person. Thank you for the thumbs up. No, I'm not using ring light. Look. What the ring light? Can't afford. If you give me a ring light, I will appreciate it. Oh my god, what's the ring light? No ring light. Bicol, sir. Bicol. Bicol province. Yeah. You don't need it anyway because your face is already glowing much more than the ring light. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mick Roggy. I think much better having a ring light. George Gabriel Palacios Martinez. Yes, but I didn't hear you. Mm, I forgot what I say. Oh wait. May gulay. Messy hair. Ano ba yan? If you don't mind me asking, how old are I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. Wait. Saan na? Lol, where in the Philippines are you? I'm Bicol. 40, yes, 40. And I mean, her cutting, look like 25. Salamat. Which country? Philippines, Sir Tariq Harbor ko. Mik, Mik, Imkiki. Thank you. Hello, honey. How are you, my there? I'm fine. If you don't mind. If you don't mind. What it means, Andres Camelo. Mark. Hi, Mark. Mark. Imkiki. Salamat sa 21 people. Sa nagtamsak, salamat. Salaman ka. Hairstyle. Hairstyle yan. Anong sabi mo, Radit? Oh. Dito ka pa magkakalat, Radit. You're not allowed toxic people here, Radit. Wag dito. Bawal dito ang aso. Bawal magkalat po. You look really beautiful, honey. Salamat, Tariq. Gabriel. George Gabriel. Where are you from, Gabriel? I didn't understand your language, but it looks like nice word. Mawa. Sorry. Are you from Brazil? Mukha Gladys. Mukhang mataray, no? Suplada. Malita. I don't understand, Radit. Are you really 40 though? Because you look much younger than that. Yes, I am. I'm really 40 years old. Hey, Sheryl. Hi, Mark. Mark. Blair. What is the color of your... Oh my god. Obviously, you don't need to say that, Blair. You stupid. Radit, stop. Maldita ako. Akala ko ako. Maldita. Oh, my sweet of you. Hi, Jack. Where's Rose? Idol. Salamanca Ivy. Hi. I love you so much. Oh, Jack, thank you. Where's Rose? I see there are 2 marks in the chat. Now. Yes, 2 marks in the chat now. Oh no. Where's the real Mark? Ano tayo? Orong sulong. Orong sulong ka. Bakit ka? The real Mark. Mabait, ate. Oh, gusto ko yung mababait. I like mabait. I love mabait. Ay, mainit sa Philippines. Yes. Stop. Claire. Hi, George Gabriel. I want to know your language, your words, but I don't understand. I don't understand. Angel Quinones, are so beautiful. Thank you. Blair, you want to go away here. What a gorgeous milk show. Real Mark. Guys, keep your comments clean or you're gone for good. Mabait ate. Opo, mabait. Hi, super cute girl. How are you today? Watching from Pasadena, California, USA. Hi, Alberto Verses from Pasadena, California, USA. Graham Mosquito, hello. Hi. Jojo. Hello, Jojo. Kiao Kim. Hi. Sorry, George. I want to understand, but I don't understand your words. Can you translate it in Tagalog or English? Good day from Australia. Hi. Have a good day from Guiha Mosquito from Australia. I'm not Bisaya. I'm Bicolana. Oh my goodness, guys. Have some respect. Thank you. Thank you, lambs became lions. Jojo, thank you. Stand up, babes. Sweet smile, babe. You married, babe. Hi, honey bear. Hi. You married, babe? Not. I'm not married. I'm getting married soon. Stand up. Why? Hi, beautiful Pambene. Jack, where's Rose? Ala, yan. Nandito na talaga siya. It's okay, Tim. It's okay. Don't, ano. And dance. Please stand up and dance, please. You married? Not yet married. I'm getting married soon. Soon. Soon to be Cheryl Cha Cha Cha. How's your day, Cheryl? My day is a great day. Amazing day. Thank you, 17 people watching. Thank you po. Salam, mahal kita. Oh, Angel, Canyones, thank you. George. Oh my god. George. George. Congratulations on your engagement po. Thank you, Lums became lions. Thank you po. Cheryl, did that Philip send you money? And Gcash? No. No, it's not. I didn't know my Gcash. Hi, Mark. Soon or eventually. Steve Rocket. Hi, Steve Rocket. Welcome back, Steve. Samas. Cheryl will engage. Yes. Soon. Zone. Soon. Hi, watching Saudi. Kumusta? Hi, Ronnie Betita. Oh good, there are some mods in chat. Yeah, I give it a before. Um, I Steve Rocket. Maybe I give it maybe February, January, something like that. And team April, maybe April, team on March. Sakit sa damdamin. Nakaututo na. Nakaututo na. Hi, TV. Kapangit sa pakiramda. Oh, kainit. Kainit sa Philippines. We don't know what it's like. What is like? Love somebody. No, no shaking. Ganda ni what? You're my wife. Your number sent. Shalen? Shalen? No, I'm not. Shalen. Thank you for the 17 people. Hello, Dan. Hey, Daniel. Gigi Car is so beautiful to home. Are you getting married soon? Yes. Oh, meet Charter. I love you. Hi, host. Collaborate TV. Um, guys can be so rude and vulgar in this chat. It's embarrassing, really. Thank you. Do you love Jesus? Lila and Mike, I love Jesus. I'm a Christian. Lambs became lions. Thank you. Sholan, what do you do? Are you serious? Yes. I'm serious, Gigi Cars. But if he's serious to me, I hope. Okay, thanks. Lila and Mike. Welcome. Esteban, hi Esteban. Oh my god, Bems. Oh, yan na naman si I love it. Ay, sinasabi. Ah, oh well, good for him. He is a lucky guy. Yes, he's so a lucky guy. Thank you, JJ Cars. You know he is serious to you. Ah, yes, thank you. I'm so overwhelmed. Oh my god. How's your day? My day is a great day. beautiful day. That's Winnie. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Hey, hey, Junior Garza. I need to love you. Why? Why you need? It's a different become a need or just no? It's needed. It's required. Aray ko, sakit ng ulo ko. I feel headache. I think I need a money. Joke. 1,000 of money. You know, or something like that. Oh my god. You are so beautiful. Hi, Filter Rich. Thank you, sir. Fifth Filter Rich. Nobody likes you, Ted. Huh? Nobody likes you, Ted. Why? Junior, be nice. Ted, why? I'm nice. That's good. Thank you, 19 people here. Kainit. Buksan natin. I'm really sweet. Wow, that's nice. Kaso, thank you, 21 people here. We don't like these comments here. 21 people, thank you. I just subscribed to you. Thank you, Junior Gaza. People in the Philippines do a lot of live streaming. Why? I need to earn watch hours for applying monetization. That's why. So many. And that's why I'm close to reach the goals for applying the monetization. Hope you know. Hope you enjoy my live stream. It helps me a lot to earn watch hour. GB Outdoors Dul. Please guys hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you my team. I've been in the hospital since last week. Why? What are you doing in the hospital? 2222. 2222. Kainin. I remember, I've been there. Why? Thank you for that 22 thumbs up. My 4-year-old daughter in the hospital. Why? Why? What happened to your daughter, Mr. Junior Gaza? Oh, what happened to your daughter? Oh my god, 4-year-old daughter. Still too young. Look. She can't breathe. Oh my she can't breathe is having a ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Hika. Okay. Hope she's better now, Junior. Yes. Hope she can better now. Hope she better now. I have to go. Bye-bye, Junior Garza. Thank you for joining here. Hope your daughter uh, get well. Get well soon. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you, Junior Garza. Sleep well. Good night. Angel Kenyanes. People live stream from India, Indonesia, Malaysia, everyone. Yeah. When you scroll it, that's why you scroll it and you go and you napadpad ka dito. Oh my god. Ang hirap mag-English. Sorry, I can't speak English so well. That's why. A little I speak English just a little, not. I'm not fluent in English. If you understand, Angel, Kenyan is. Thank you, 23 people. Even the thumbs like. See you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow, Angel. Thank you. Good night. God bless you. One second. I feel headache. This I promise you. 24 thumbs up. Thank you guys. Mantiki Farpt. Filipino girls are thin, pretty, dark skin, and very beautiful. Why? Oh, it's called like a Filipino beauty. Charot, joke lang. Uh, here, here, and in my place, too many beautiful Filipina here. Young generation is beautiful here, but I like old generation, not now. Beautiful, but not beautiful outside, but not good inside. You English speak. Hi Kay. I'm just Camilo. Yes, I'm Filipina. But you gully. Gully. Gully gully the titty people ping king 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 king. Hi 25. Thank you for the 25 thumbs up. Oh my god. Sumasakit ulo ko. Oh my god. Bro, you poor home. Yes, you're right. I'm poor. Sorry. I'm just so poor. Look, my home. My messy home. Very small room. So much. Ouch. At tinanggal na siya. I need to go. I'm going to. How many subscribe to get monetized? 1,000. The requirements is the 1,000 subscriber. I already did the subscribers. The watch hours. I need 4,000 watch hours. It's really difficult to earn watch hours. So we really need to working hard. Working hard. Hard work's payoffs. Yes. If you need watch hours. Yes, it's a lot of hours. Yes, it's a lot of hours. Did you take dad to doctors today? Yes. I inquire because the doctor not available today. Rescheduling. We scheduled Saturday for eye ophthalmologist. Hey darling, what's up? I'm back. Don't listen to him being mean to you about your house. Thank you, Angel. It's okay about my house because it's a small house. No comfort room, no kitchen, no dining table. It's a dining table. It's just a room. No no guest room. No no terrace. Just a room just for me and my son. To get pretty hair. Thank you. The important is, daanin na lang natin sa ganda. Charot. It's fine. It's not, it's fine. Maricela Talent. Sure, a lot of people have a PayPal account before they get monetized. Yeah, I need to, yes, I need to sign up the PayPal. And I think I will put it on my profile. If someone if someone sending me, it helps me a lot. I will give it thanks so much. But he shouldn't be saying things like that to you. Yes, yes, Angel. Thank you, Angel. Yes, he didn't. He did. As I think, he don't know me. He judged me by my he easily judged me by what he say to me, but he don't know me. He don't really know my story. That's your number, please. Arrow and Darius. Hi Jose. Also, the YouTube takes the 30% of the money. People is Peter. Oh yes, people is Peter. Yes, I have having a tax here on YouTube. Having a tax, we need to file the tax form. Thank you for 28 times. It does not matter whether rich or poor. What matters is on the inside and is, yes, me too. But here, but sometimes even the people with nothing is rude. What it called it? Mayabang. Kahit, okay, what it's called it when they are nothing, even not rich people. Di mahambog. Mahambog, mayabang. Hi, Vazel. Arizrad. Pasting mayroong hi. Hi, Korean. Oh, yes, guys are vulgar and desperate. Yes, some guys, but not all. Some. You know what? Here, lambs become lions. Someone says here, we call it disrespect me and super rude. They say I look like a maid. Oh my goodness. It's just a, he said I look like a man. That's why it's okay if I look like a man. But one thing I'm sure, I'm not. My feed it's not for you. You don't contribute what I paid. the Philippines, something like that. I think maybe Philippines. Yeah, I'm from Philippines.
Next week, mga Tower Cats, mas matindi at mas kaabang-abang tapatan dito sa Backlogs. Abangan nyo mga magkaambak para muling ibida ang
Kunti
kanilang galing sa
lang. Hi, I love it.
Ito pa isang abangan natin, yung susunod nating clone.
Ang pangit because yes, you are right. You have a very beautiful voice. Thank you, Angel. Are you Filipino? Yes, I'm Filipina. Filipino. Still yung buhangin. I like you, participate. Sa ilog ng and you don't look like a man. Thank you. Oh my god. Some says I look like a man. Maybe I look like a lesbian, maybe. Oh, but oh my god. Maybe my ano. Alright. You are very gorgeous, lady. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sir Lambs. Become lions. So they what gawa? No, I don't think so. Someone said I look like a man. Oh my god, I'm a man. Limsa layups. Hi, kid girl. Hi. Lambs become lion. Me, I sure it. Oh my gulay. Namimihasa ka na. Pero dahil sa, mabait ako. Okay. I show my feet. It's real. Oh, yes. My feet. You like my feet? You like my feet? Kakain ko to sa'yo eh. May buo yan. May kung kagaw ka. Ingrown. My feet having an ingrown. You like ingrown? I love you. Stop with the pic. Ano daw? You are 100% woman. Thank you, Angel. Kenyones. Thank you. Yes, I'm 100% woman because I have a son. But no one man can serious me because I don't know. I'm not. Someone said I'm not beautiful. I'm ugly. That's why I'm Filipino here. No one can serious relationship with me because I'm not beautiful here. I'm not beautiful. That's why. But it's okay. And they are not handsome too. Choosy nga eh. Mga choosy hindi naman kagapo. Dun sila sa maganda. If they want beautiful, then go ahead. Leave me alone. Don't be toxic with me. I don't need toxic people in my life. Cuteness, where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Thank you, I like mature feet. Yeah, Isaac Potion. Di ba't sinapin mo? I'm going to end the live soon because I'm going to. Hello,
Say ho! Okay.
bye bye. I need to go now. Working time.
Oo. Hello po, ano ang pangalan niya?
Oh, my phone. Nirangan. Mapetal from India. Me not to English too good. I think it's fine. Bye bye. Hope to see you tonight. I do live tonight again. Bye. Bye guys. Goodbye. Bye. Hope to see you. God bless you, Cheryl po. God bless you po. Thank you, Lams. Bye-bye. Thank you, Angel. God bless you. Love you all. God bless us. Bye-bye.